And finally, we have Galaxy great news. Galaxy is coming on Bybit tomorrow. It depends when you watch this video, or maybe it will be today, on May the 10th at 10 o'clock UTC time. All right, so finally great news from Galaxy. Okay, so I did many videos for Galaxy Engine. It's amazing notes at the moment who they work with. Check this out, they work with Mike Tyson. They did a NFT collection. They work with Steve Aoki. They work with NBA, the association NFT. Okay, also they have testimonials from Nick Johnson, the founder of ENS, Sergey Nazarov, the founder of Chainlink. Okay, this lady right here, okay, the founder of Crossmith. Okay, that is a huge potential right here for this project. And also the core contributor are Chainlink, ENS, Polygon, Diverse, and also we have CoinMarketCap. Yeah, it's working. I was just checking if the sound is working, otherwise I need to talk to myself. Okay, so that's Galaxy notes. Now check this out, they have over 225,000 NFT sold, over 32,000 Ethereum made on secondary market. That is crazy, and we've been waiting for this bad boy for a very long time. If you want to get the note, it's still time. I don't know what will be the price. We're going to find out in less than 24 hours. I am so excited. You can go and buy the note still. What you can do is you just need to have some Matic in your wallet. It's 1,000 bucks at the moment, okay? And then they have over 11,400 sold. I still think you're getting around 135, 140 tokens. So what will be the price? I don't know. I will reckon will be couple of cents. What's mean if the price go 2, 3x, 5x, 10x? If these follow the same trend as Delicium, I think we can do 10x or 13x, or Sonorous did for 17x if I'm not mistaken on the launch day. Now, so everything will go up, then people will take profits, then will go down. Okay, so and then we'll plateau, then we'll plateau, and then we'll go up. So they have a great APR. I did lock a big portion of my tokens for 3 months, 6 months, and 12 months, and for 12 months it's around 300% APR, so it still is juicy. Go and get that APR. If you want to buy, make sure you use my code, what will be the link down in the description. Okay, and this is the code MXGV1, and the link will be down in the description. And also don't forget that nothing here is financial advice. Do your own research. Okay, so let's go back, let's go and check what's happening in their Twitter. We have 2 hours ago, check this out, we are super excited to announce that the long awaiting moments arrived. Galaxy token is coming soon to Bybit spot trading. So tomorrow, 10 of May, 10 o'clock, 10 a.m. UTC time, listing time will open, but you can deposit from 8 a.m. UTC time. Okay, make sure you understand that, as I think we can claim the token and we can deposit there, so we can buy and sell and trade and do wherever you want. Also very hot news right here, just to mention to you, they raised over 8 million bucks right there. Okay, that's crazy, from the crypto notes, and this was just a couple of days ago, May 8th, yesterday. So they sold over 400 notes. That's crazy. They have the team of Galaxy's 50 plus year of combined experience. I think this project is huge. Okay, they all the time have, there we go, LTR DOS, I don't even know who they are, some partnership, huge partnership all the time. And the last article I want to mention, do not sell share me info, thank you. And the last article I want to mention, check this out, Galaxy raises 10 million, doubling down on belief that NFTs will provide real value everywhere. Okay, so that's crazy, guys. So this is on CoinDesk. Okay, they put a huge article on CoinDesk just a couple of days ago that they had IDO pre-sale on Bybit and it was all sold out. Okay, I will leave the link down in the description. Check it, everything what I just mentioned. They just put it right here, and then basically the platform which help creator and brands introduce a collection of non-fundable tokens, has worked with celebrity including DJ Steve Aoki, actor Val Kilmer, and ABA personality LaMelo Ball. He has sold more than 225,000 NFT, the same what I mentioned. All right, so this can be a big winner again for me and everybody who follow me. If you want to buy, the question is, hey Phil, is it too late to buy the node? How much cost is 1,100? You just buy and hold and you earn daily tokens. You can stake the tokens for a long APR, for great APR, or can just hold them, and this is like a passive income for me. Okay, I have a couple of nodes and I'm very happy. I live a little bit so I can sell them. If I can ROI tomorrow, will be happy days. If not, I stake a big portion for the next 3, 6, and 12 months time. So you just buy the node, you hold in your wallet, and you earn everyday tokens. Okay, now what will be the price? We're going to find out tomorrow all together. Thank you so much. Love you all. Remember, May 10, wherever you watch this video, can be maybe late or not, but doesn't matter. You can get the node wherever you want. If the price go up, everybody will start buying nodes. And I mentioned I was number like 300-400 when they were selling the nodes. That was like 2.5 months ago. All right, thank you so much. God bless all of you. Goodbye.